All right, today we got a real quick review for you for the GT styling taillight covers for 2011 Mustang. Basically the same premise for any car with these kind of taillight covers, but here they are. I got these for $44, I think, from Amazon, so they're relatively inexpensive. Usually I would go with the VHT spray when I'm tinting taillights, but this is a nicer car. I didn't want to go spray style on it. Yeah, they look nice. That one got a little bit of a scratch on it. Probably can't see it, but yeah, that's pretty much all that's included in the box. They have some alcohol wipes here. But virtually all these do is stick on with double-sided tape. So all you got to do is get the taillights really clean first, which my tiny helper here is doing. So we're going to Windex them up, get all the dirt off, and then do them again just to be sure. And then, yeah, take your alcohol wipes, and we'll wipe those down, and then I'll show you how to mount them on there. Alright, you can see him here, alcohol padding this thing up. And you don't need to dry this off. I would just let it air dry. And then we'll stick these on. Alrighty, next thing we're going to do is, well, the instructions say to mark the corners of it so you know how to put it on. But these are usually kind of misshapen, so that doesn't really work. So just kind of set it on there so you know how you're going to have to set it on there. So in this case, you got to kind of go up under this corner or it won't go on there. Alright, so pretty simple. Just peel these off and stick it down. There we go. Be real careful. Don't try to squish it on at first. Get it where you want it. And press it on. There's one side. Alright, so here you go. They look pretty cool. The fitment is about what I would expect. Not perfect, but they do look nice. The only weirdness is you can see the tape, the two-sided tape, through the lens when you push the brakes. Hey, Drake, go ahead and push the brakes. See, you can see the... That's kind of strange. You can laugh. But besides that, yeah, they look nice, and for the price, my new set of taillights for one of these cars, you've probably looked, if you're looking at this video, is like $250, $300. So yeah, $50. Not bad.